Hello kids, how are you? So today I'm gonna color these beautiful elephants. So first of all, I'm coloring this big elephant with gray color. This is a gray color. Now, small elephant, I'm taking blue color for small elephant. It looks so beautiful. So now I'm gonna color cute sun here. So I'm taking yellow and orange to color up the sun.
Wow!
Now taking red. For the background, I'm taking blue color, and for the grass, I'm taking green color. But first of all, I'm taking black color to complete the coloring of elephants. So I'm almost done. Now I'm gonna color the background and the grass. So for background it's blue and for grass is green. I hope so you like this video.
Wow.
If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Take care.